Want to turn an M.2 NVMe SSD into a blazing fast external drive? Check out the UGREEN 40 gigabits per second USB4 SSD enclosure, speed, cooling, and style in one. With true 40 gigabits per second USB4 and Thunderbolt 4 compatibility, it hits transfer speeds up to 2,800 megabytes per second. That's fast enough for 4K video editing, large game files, or instant backups. The built-in cooling vest keeps your SSD from overheating, while the aluminum body and silicone sleeve offer shockproof durability. Fits M.2 sizes 2230 to 2280, up to 4 terabytes. Plug and play on Windows, Mac, or Linux, no drivers needed. Includes both USB-C and USB-A cables for universal compatibility. Ready to unleash your SSD's full speed? Check the link in the description below to buy the UGREEN 40 gigabits per second SSD enclosure now. Thanks for watching, and transfer at full throttle.